This is the finishing lab with another LE9000SX from Santinelli and Nidek. This edger is pretty clean. There are a few, I'll point out right since we're here, a few dings on the cover. As we go over to the side, it's pretty clean. A few little dings here. But otherwise, very, very clean. Let's go on into the inside of the edger real quick, and we'll go ahead and just see all the components. Very, very clean inside. All of the components are nice and clean. The tray down below, it's all been calibrated. The system has completely brand new lines all the way throughout the new machine. It's been completely sealed. You can see in here all new lines. The tracer works perfect. We'll go through the calibration in a minute and the operation of that. This is a 9000A style, so it does have the safety bevel groover all in one. But it does have a brand new set of bearings in here, so you'll hear the operation of that in just a little bit. And all in all, this is a very, very clean machine. I think it's just got over 12,000 cuts in it, so very low usage. Very, very great running machine. The calibration was almost spot on when I ran it. Just some minor adjustments, but this is a fully functional machine. It does come with a set of water solenoids, but unfortunately no blocker. If you'd like a blocker, please contact me and I can see what I can find for you. So I'll go ahead and button this up, and next we'll go through the tracer and the operation and the running of the edger. Alright, so we'll go ahead and fire this thing up, and everything initializes good. And just real quick to go through the menu and the process counter, we've got 5,000 cuts on poly, or excuse me, CR39, a 78 in poly, very low polish. And the groove's very low, and the total cut here 12,848. The master in the back is at 12,888, I believe, so right around in there, but and they'll have a few more cuts on here because I will run it, but it's in very good condition. Here's this menu, and we'll go ahead and run through the tracer, and we'll just trace the calibration jig. Alright, and we'll go ahead and bring this down. Data set. There's our shape, and as you can see, perfectly on size, 162.83 and 162.84. As you can see, that's the circumference of the jig right there. So, like I said, tracer works perfect. Everything is operational. So what we'll do now is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, get a lens, and we will run through the operation, watch the LMU run, we'll watch the safety bevel run, and we'll go from there. Alright, so since we've got this trace up, we'll go ahead and just enter in some information here on the PD. We're going to do a CR39. This lens is a -2, -1. We'll do a metal bevel, auto bevel, and we'll have the safety bevel on. And so we'll go ahead and take our lens and we'll put it right in here. I'm using a pliable block system. Unfortunately, we'll have to get a cut pack or a block system for you. Typically they come with a blocker, so the edger will not come with any blocks. So we'll go ahead and chuck this and go ahead and hit start. Alright, and we'll go ahead and take this out, and we're all edged. So please email us if you have any questions or concerns in regards to this. Again, we are looking at a LE9000SX. It is edger only with a direct water system hookup, no blocker. Please email us if you have any questions about this edger. And thank you, and look for other auctions coming up available for another LE9000 and possibly an ME1000.